Hidden behind these leafy hedges is a surprise package that will delight families, entertainers, downsizers and investors. Welcome to 7 Hampden Road in Russell-Lee. This attractively renovated full brick California bungalow offers character, space and flexibility with the lifestyle convenience of this ultra-central inner west location. Around the corner from cafes, dining, local shops and city and Chatswood buses, this polished gem is a short walk to waterfront parks, sports grounds, schools and the Bay Run. Just over 1 kilometre to Des Moines retail hub eateries, Bayside swimming pool, Birkenhead Point shopping centre and marina. And only 2 kilometres to Five Dogs famous food shops, Italian cafes, patisseries and restaurants. This landscaped lawn and walled garden creates a sense of privacy, with a north-facing front veranda making a natural sun trap and the benefit of a gated carport on the wide 409 square metre block. The front of the house retains its traditional layout with 3 double bedrooms featuring high corner ceilings, polished timber floors and generous built-ins. The front 2 bedrooms have wide picture windows and a northerly aspect for a light and airy ambience. The fully tiled designer bathroom has bath, separate shower and twin vanities, and there's a second bathroom and laundry to the rear of the house, combining original character details with contemporary comfort. The home also features ducted air conditioning as well as gas bayonet heating. Double doors lead into this generous sized room, which could be used as a formal lounge, media room, home office or a 4th bedroom, whatever suits your lifestyle. And here's the surprise factor. This super spacious open living and dining area is fabulous for family life and entertaining friends with its bespoke parquetry floors and modern gas kitchen with stainless steel appliances and breakfast bar. Patio doors create a seamless flow to the semi-covered, fully fenced and paved entertainer's garden. Perfect for year-round enjoyment with minimum maintenance. Plus, there's an extra bonus of a covered breakfast patio and side entrance, great for parking boats or bikes, and a rear storage shed, workshop, studio or kids playroom. Low maintenance level lifestyle in this family-friendly locale. In the Russell-Lee Public School and Concord High School catchment, it's close to numerous inner west private schools with school buses at the doorstep, sports facilities, Des Moines pool and sailing and rowing clubs nearby. Commuters will appreciate the convenience to the M4 and West connects to the M1 and M8 interchange. Easy access to Chatswood, Macquarie University and Macquarie Park Technology Precinct. And it's just 9 kilometres to the city. Ready to move in straight away and relax. This well-presented home offers room to further upgrade to suit your own style with potential to add an upper level, subject to council approval. For further information, please contact Roger Mickhail Property.